Hey everybody, Mr. Hoarder here with a mail day. Now I don't want to show my address, but so I've got this package from Topps, a little replacement. I started peeling it, but then I realized why not make it into a video. So here's the rest of it. Let's see what we get. If you saw my earlier video, I was missing some hits from Allen Ginter. I think that's what this is. You can see this, they just kind of tape things together with Scotch tape. They've got it glued onto some kind of board. Feels like, oh, I see. So these two are the little envelopes, little packs. These are just kind of like cardboard. Anyway, here's the first pack. They don't even have holders at Topps. Wow. I didn't even pull one of these. Any auto is opening a bunch of boxes, and here's a Hayworst, Dirk Hayworst auto. Mini. Cool. Who is this guy? I don't know, I never bothered with... Oh, author of the bullpen Gospels. Nice. And here's the other pack. Or replacement. Bat card. Robinson Cano. Sorry for the dark lighting today, but I'm just doing this from another room. Pretty nice. Was missing 2 hits if you watched my earlier breaks. Got these replacements. You know, it's pretty sweet. Bat. Okay. Thanks for watching.